Hi everyone, a very good morning to all of you. Last class we have studied about De Morgan laws and how to construct gate from the Boolean expression and how to find truth table, what kind of questions comes and what is XOR and XNOR gate and how to construct both the gates and what is the corresponding truth table. Today let us solve one or two more questions like different type of questions. Also, we will study about the universal gate which is called NAND gate. Why we call it as NAND gate as universal gate? So, this is AND gate. Inputs are A, B. Output is A into B. Now, if you join at the end one NOT gate, then the output will become AB bar or nothing but like this. You can represent AB. This is AB bar. So if you join both inputs, then this behaves like NAND gate. Both inputs if you join, then it behaves like NOT gate. Because you are giving 0, then here it will come 1. If you are giving 1, it will come 0. Suppose 0 you have given, then 0, 0. For 0, 0, what is the output of NAND gate? 1. If you give 1, then 1, 1. For 1, 1, NAND gate gives what is the output? 0. So for 0 it is giving 1, for 1 it is giving 0. So the truth table behaving like NOT gate. So the construction of NOT gate from the NAND gate. What you have to do? You just connect both the inputs together and give either 0 you can give or 1, right? Then take suppose two NAND gates. Now this is A, this is B. Here you will get A bar, here you will get B bar. Now take these two inputs and connect to one NAND gate. So here inputs are A bar, B bar. This is AND gate. This is not. So total NAND gate. Or else you can draw like this. So here comes A bar dot B bar. Here comes A bar dot B bar whole bar. But according to De Morgan laws, A bar dot B bar whole bar equal to, when bar is there, we can write it as A bar already there. One more bar will come when you remove this. Plus, dot becomes plus. B bar whole bar, nothing but A plus B. Now A plus B is nothing but what? The output when you simplify using De Morgan laws, it is becoming A plus B. What is A plus B? OR gate. So using NAND gates, just NAND gates, 3 NAND gates, I constructed one combination where the output is equal to OR gate. So you can construct one OR gate using NAND gate, right? So this is the why. So you can construct NOT gate, you can construct OR gate using the NAND gate. That's why it is called universal gate. Now suppose you take this construction only. I told you like questions comes based on construction or finding truth table for such combination. So when you want to find the truth table, then what you will do is you will take A, B and output. So options are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Then what you have to do is you have to check one by one. 0, 0. When you give 0, 0, here comes 1, 1. Because this is A bar, B bar. Now 1, 1 for AND gate, for AND, not NAND. This is already separated. So for AND gate, 1, 1 input means output is also 1. But here one NOT gate, so 1 will become 0. So here what is output? 0. Now, you give 1, 1. So here 1, now here 1. So 1, 1 will become here 0, 0. Then 0, 0 AND gate, here also 0. So then here will become 1 because 0 will become 1. Then here output is 1. Similarly, sorry, not this one, this one. Now you give 0, 1, 0, 1. Then here comes 1, 0. Then for 1, 0 AND gate is 0. Then NOT gate will make it 1. So for 0, 1 also 1. Then you give 1, 0. Here 1, here 0. 1 will become 0, 0 will become 1. Then 0, 1. AND gate 0. NOT gate becomes so 1. So again here also 1. So if you look at the truth table, they'll ask you not this one, any construction like this, and they'll ask you what is the truth table. Check in this way. Or what is the expression? Do it in this way. They may give different combination, big combination, but take 1, 1. Then get the final output. Sometimes you may have to simplify using the De Morgan laws, depending upon the given question. Right? So that is the way you need to understand. Now take same NAND gate. This is A. Now this is B. Now this is A bar. This is B bar. Now you take these two inputs and connect it to one NOR gate. So here input A bar, here input B bar, then here A bar plus B bar whole bar. Because this is what? NOR gate. OR plus NOT. This is OR. A bar plus B bar. Inputs are A bar, B bar. So OR gate output is A bar plus B bar, and due to NOT gate one more bar. Then this will become, using De Morgan laws, A bar bar dot B bar bar equal to AB. Now the output is AB nothing but AND gate. So the truth table must be like A, B, Y means 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. You can also construct AND gate using NAND gate and NOR gate. So you can construct, they may ask you to construct the gate by giving some expression. Like for example, take any combination, one random combination I am taking. So y equal to A plus B bar dot AB. This is some combination, or you can also take plus, it's your wish. They give some combination. Now here first, this is 1, this is 1, here plus. So here comes one OR gate whose output should be A plus B bar plus AB. So one input is A plus B bar and other input should be AB for an OR gate. Now AB, how can we get it? Using NAND gate. So this must be A, this must be B. Here A plus, so OR gate. So here we require one OR gate whose inputs are A and B bar. A plus B bar. Now this is A, this is B. Then here we can give A directly. But here we need to connect one NOT gate so that B will become B bar. Then to find the truth table, you can use this expression or you can use this one directly. Suppose 0, 0. Substitute here. Y equal to 0 plus 0 bar plus 0, 0. So 0 plus 1 plus 0 this is. 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0, 1. So for 0, 0, what is the output? 1. Then for 0, 1, here 1. So this is 0. This is 0. Now 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. So first output was 1. Next 0. Next 1, 0. So this is 1. Now this is 0. This is 1. This is 0. Now this is 1. So 0 bar means this is 1. So 1 plus 1, 1. Now 1 plus 0, 1. So next 1. Then 1 comma 1. So now this is also 1. This is also 1. So 1 bar 0. 1 dot 1, 1. Now 1 plus 0, 1. So 1 plus, this is 1. 1 plus 1, 1. One new, different. So like that, construct the gate. Learn the construction of gate. Learn finding truth table either from expression or from the gate construction. And apart from this, one more question, some different type of question they'll ask you. That is, let's see that question. The question they will give is, they will give input in the waveform like this. So first, let's take, suppose, now this is another input. Let's take this is A, this is B. And the combination of the gate is something. Let's take suppose NOR gate. Now these are the two inputs for NOR gate. Then what is the output waveform they will ask you. See, when they give in the waveform, it doesn't mean that one is lower voltage, one is higher voltage. This is 0, this is 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. Because this is like 1. You have to divide like this first. Time periods. Then similar way here also 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. So first you are giving 0, 1. Next you are giving 1, 0. Next you are giving 0, 0. Next 0, 1. Next 1, 1. Next 1, 0. That's it. And you need to know the truth table. A, B, Y, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 1. Then 0, 1 or 1, 0 or 1, 1, 0. Now, how to find the or how to draw the output? First, 0, 1. For NOR gate, when you give 0, 1 input, then output is also 0. So, take low in voltage. Then 1 0, 1 0 also 0, 1 0 0 output. Then 0 0 1, output is now 1. So here this is 0, output 0, but this is 1. Next 0 1, 0 1 also 0, then again low voltage. 1 1 also 0, 1 0 also 0. They will give the options. You have to choose right one. So this is output waveform of NOR gate. Suppose same question they have given. Suppose same question they have given and they asked for X NOR. What is X NOR? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Then what is the output of X NOR gate? For X NOR gate, if you consider, for 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. XOR means 0 1 1 0 gives 1 1. Just try to remember the truth table, or else you try to check. Suppose you forgot, you know the expression AB bar plus A bar B. Then 0 0, then 0 0 bar plus 0 bar 0. So this is 0 1 plus 1 0 equal to, this is 0 plus 0, how much? 0. This is XOR gate. But this is XNOR, that means Y bar. Then 0 will become what? 1. Don't confuse. This is XOR, but we are taking XNOR. You will connect at the end NOT gate. Then output 0 will become what? 1. Similarly, you take 1 1. So now suppose 1 1. So 1 1. Now it will become 1 1. So 1 0. This is 0 1. So 1 into 0, that is 0. 0.1 0. 0 plus 0 0. But this is for XOR. For XNOR 0 will become 1. So this way, if you know the truth table, then see here. First 0 1. 0 1 0. For 1 0 0. Then for 0 0 1. Then output is 1. Then for 0 1 again 0. 1 1. For 1 1 again 1. Then for 1 0 again 0. So 0 1 0 1 like this. So this way they can ask you questions based on the same truth table, same gates, but the way of asking question is depending on the waveform. So try to understand what kind of waveform they have given. So overall, if you consider how to construct the gate, how to find the truth table, that is the key thing to solve questions based on logic gates. So remember everything, data, whatever you have studied, and try to solve each and every question. Right? So this is what all about logic gate, simple one. Simple but very important. Every time you will get one question. So mostly you will get one question 99.9% in every time, every entrance. So please practice all of them and just try to remember all the truth tables without any confusion. Because while practicing you can refer, but in the examination hall, if you confuse about one small also, it will kill your time. Because every time if you check like this, then it takes difficult, right? But last and final. So when someone, sometimes they ask, like suppose A plus A bar, A bar is how much, or A dot A bar is how much, they will ask. So then you have to take A equal to 0 first. Then 0 plus 0 bar equal to 0 plus 0 bar means 1, 0 plus 1 1. Then A equal to 1. Then 1 plus 1 bar equal to 1 plus 0 equal to 1. So for 0 and for 1 input, this is always getting 1. So I can write a plus a bar is always 1. So you can replace that with 1. Also a bar dot a bar, that is first 0, 0 dot 0 bar equal to 0 dot 1 equal to 0. Next 1 dot 1 bar, 1 dot 0 equal to 0. For both inputs, for 0 as well as 1, it is getting 0. Then a dot a bar is what? 0. Because this kind of understandings helps you in solving questions related to Boolean expression simplification using De Morgan laws. When you have to simplify, sometimes you may have to use De Morgan laws. Along with that, these kind of logics also you need to use. So please understand everything and try to practice everything. What type of questions comes based on waveform, based on truth table, based on gate construction, everything you practice. So all wholesale, when you consider the chapter gives questions like simple, logic based and memory based, right? So hope you will practice well and you will understand each and everything, right? And this week exam completely based on the logic gates and binary system, right?